Fellas, don't shoot the messenger, but women might just be better investors than us. Studies from Warwick Business School and Fidelity show women consistently earn higher returns than men, around 0.4 to 1% more per year. That might sound small, but over 20 or 30 years, it compounds into thousands, even hundreds of thousands of extra dollars. Most guys rush the game. She plays the long strategy and checkmates them every time. So why are women pulling ahead? A big reason is behavior. Men are more likely to overtrade, chase hot tips, and take unnecessary risks, often driven by ego. Women, on the other hand, tend to be more disciplined. They research carefully, diversify, and stick to long-term strategies. That difference adds up. In fact, research shows men make roughly 45% more trades per year than women, but those extra trades often hurt returns rather than help. Meanwhile, women's steadier approach keeps their portfolios growing steadily, without the stress of constant market swings. Too many guys treat the stock market like a casino. And trust me, the house loves that. Another key edge women have? Patience. Studies show they're less likely to panic sell during downturns and more likely to stay invested for the long haul. That calm, steady approach means they capture the full benefit of compounding, while many men lock in losses by bailing out too soon. It's not about avoiding risk entirely. It's about understanding that time in the market beats timing the market, and women, on average, play that long game better. One of the biggest behavioral gaps? Confidence. Women tend to approach investing with healthy confidence. They know what they know, and they stick to it. Men, on the other hand, are more prone to overconfidence. They think they can outsmart the market, which often leads to more trading, higher fees, and bigger mistakes. The irony? That quiet confidence women bring actually translates to stronger, steadier results over time. So what can we learn from all this? The data is clear. Women's investing edge comes from smarter risk-taking, patience, consistency, and the confidence to stay the course without letting ego take over. For men, the lesson isn't to hand over the portfolio, it's to adopt those same winning habits. Less chasing, more discipline, and a long-term mindset that lets compounding do the heavy lifting. So, gentlemen, maybe it's time we take a few notes from the ladies. And to the women watching, keep doing what you're doing, because the stats say you're crushing it. This is Bear in the Bull with Bulls, Bears, and Money. If you found this useful, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.